Hi everybody, my name is Alex and this is an introduction video of JasperNode. It is a software we have been working on for some time here at ControlX. It turns any PC into intelligent industrial automation controller. But what's special about that? It lets you use just natural language to generate, modify and troubleshoot control logic of your industrial equipment and machinery. Next to me is a mini electrical panel, something similar you might have at your facility. I'm going to use it to demonstrate how I can use natural language to read push buttons, switches and sensors to control industrial outputs. So now let's jump on the computer and I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, now I'm in front of the computer. But before we begin with JasperNode, I'm going to show you what we have in this mini electrical panel. Start, stop, potentiometer. All of them are connected to Siemens Logger. We have temperature sensor is connected to this Modbus TCP device. The EtherCAD device has outputs to control this LED tower and this fan analog output for that. And JasperNode was pre-installed earlier on this mini PC. JasperNode is connected to all these devices via Ethernet. It can read and write from this remote IOs. Now let's look into JasperNode and see how it works. To get started with JasperNode, go to jasperx.link, connect to Node. This is a homepage of JasperNode. On the left side, you can see menu. Once it's new, you have 0 tags, 0 scripts, no software connectors, no hardware connectors. I can do everything manually, but this JasperNode introduction is to show you how to use AI agent to create all connections, all tags, and all logic. All right, at this stage, let's jump right into this. So as any industrial application, you usually have a functional specification. So what I did, I prepared earlier a spreadsheet where I described the name of the system, a few inputs and outputs, what it should do, and some connection details. We're going to simply highlight this, copy, and we're going to paste it right into the chat. Clicking on AI agent, auto run. So it continued running without me needed to approve any of agent's steps. Right click and paste the information I just copied, and I'll let AI to develop the complete automation project from one prompt. Currently, it's going to check the system, going to check if anything exists, if anything in the system, going to create a simple task list for itself. It's going to create connectors to all 3 devices, and it's going to create all tags necessary. It created a connector to our EtherCAD device. Next, it's going to create a connector to Logger to read our digital inputs. And lastly, it's connecting to this Modbus TCP device to read analog input and temperatures. It's on the journey to create all necessary tags with the scripts to implement exact system we told in this functional specification. It's going to provide summary. So when it's completed, I can see that we have errors on every single connector. I'm going to open AI agent, and in new chat, I'm going to ask to fix the connectors. The connectors have errors, fix it. What AI is going to do is going to check all connectors to read stats for every single connector. Great. So all connectors fixed. Now it's time to check the logic. So in here in automation design, we jump to the our folder and we can see the folder with IO. We go to IO and there is a logo and Modbus. So we have our digital inputs and digital outputs. So this is our outputs. So we're going to override it. By doing this, we check that it's actually working. Analog outputs, we also can set speed set point, and it works. Now closing this, we can go to inputs and see the values here all combined together. Our temperature set point, if I move the potentiometer, I can see the value changes. But I can see the temperature is definitely not correct. And in a new chat, I'm going to tell tag temperature is scaled incorrectly. So I can close now, and we can test our system. Let's press start. Now let's change the input value to see the heater will be off. We can see the fan started also. Also, I can show you how the logic looks like. Our start cycle logic looks very simple. We're more complicated to scale from one value to another. And if you go to the outputs, you probably can see something simple like this. So a little script, maybe something more complicated like this. So yes, you can see how AI can rapidly generate control logic. With just single prompt, JasperNode was able to generate control logic for entire application, creating connectors, creating tags, and assigning scripts to it. And when we had a problem, JasperNode was able to troubleshoot and fix it for us. To discuss how JasperNode can be applied to your specific application, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching, and bye.